How to lock someone out of your YouTube account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up YouTube on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Google account. Now wait for some time. Now on the horizontal menu, simply scroll right and tap on security. Now scroll down. Now simply scroll down and find your devices. Then tap on your devices. Now find the device you want to log out. Tap on the device. Now enter the phone screen password. Now simply tap on sign out. Again tap on sign out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.